cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright.
Take a good look, guys. Yes, we are doing a pineapple pork chops as requested, and this is our pork chops and our pineapple sauce. Look at that packaging and all. Yes, look at that. Globalist Interaction JA pineapple sauce. Look for it on your supermarket shelves and everywhere. We have our pimento seed and our bay leaf, and as I said before, our poached pork chops. And these are all the ingredients that we're going to use today to show you how this sauce can really stand on its own and be very flavorful. So let's go.
Yes guys, so there again, as Chef Alexander said before, now we're gonna add some pork sauce,
some pineapple sauce, guys. Look at that, and that's how you want to get that sizzling, right? So I'm just going to add the bay leaf and pimento seed as I showed you guys before.
I know pork go well with pimento. I know pork love pineapple.
Yes,
not even say pineapple, they love apple in general. So any one of the apples will go well with this pork. Look at that coming together nicely. And remember, it's Globalist Interaction JA. Yeah, so look out for the sauce as Chef Alexander has just said. Now she's going to submerge the pork in the sauce.
Yes guys, and we're going to allow the sauce to coat the meat and absorb all the flavor from the pimento and the bay leaf, guys. And when you're doing this, you want to have the stove on low because you want that slow, you know that slow roast, nice flavor there. Yes, that's what you want. So we're gonna catch you guys back again when we're giving this a turn. So forward. Yes guys, it's that time, and it's time for the turn. Yes guys, look at that setting right, you know. Want to show you the turn good, you know. Yes guys, look at that.
Look at that. Now watch a little piece that will jump out. That's normal.
And look at, I don't know if you're seeing that char on it, guys. Beautiful. Looks really lovely. And as we say, keep this on low, guys, so that all the flavor can be nicely bussing in this. Bussing and absorbed. Tasty and beautiful. So forward again, we need to removal time.
No, we're going to base it first before we remove it.
Oh,
you
yes,
know
yes,
how
yes,
moves
yes,
so speedy,
yes,
you know,
yes,
guys. You know how she moves so speedy.
Basing up.
Yes, look at that.
Yes, guys. This is so aromatic and flavorful already. Aroma, tell them,
it's like
chef.
a perfume for the kitchen.
Yes, guys, look at that. Beautiful. I don't know if you're seeing it properly, but this has a nice glossy pineapple sheen on it. Flavor, flavor, flavor. A lot of awesomeness.
So the next time on the series, we know say a removal time, so we so forward.
So forward. Yes, guys, take a look at that. It's removal time. So ready up your quick thinking and your quick fingers to spam up the comment section forward.
Yes, guys, so forward.
Yes, guys, it's that time. So start dropping them comments.
Yes, guys, so take it in. Right there.
Beautiful. Lovely, guys. It's such a joy to see us expressing our passion and dedication
right
for
there.
our work.
Yeah, guys, so I know the thing go. I don't know say when Chef Alexander and Chef Reid at work is nothing normal. We put out the best, and it's all about the best.
Our signature mashed potato with that raisin. Remember, guys, follow us on our Instagram. Pictures will be posted over there. And if you're not following our business page as yet, please follow us so you can place your orders and get the good things them.
And remember, go over King and Alito, guys. Become a part of the AK Gang Active Knowledge. Let me run in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this.
Yes, guys.
I'm gonna just add little sauce right there, so. Right there.
Beautiful. And remember, if you want the sauces, you can DM us on Instagram and we can talk all business over there, right? That finishing touch, guys. What you think coming now? Yes, you've been with us for so long now, so you know we always garnish, right? Take a look to admire what's going on. Beautiful.
I'm hearing in the comment section. We are hearing in, but we want to hear more now, guys. We want to spam it up. Drop all 5 comments.
And let us know what else you want to see us use the sauces on the protein. And I'll just remind you of the sauces. We have pineapple, melon, guava, spicy chili, jerk barbecue, and barbecue. And we have a whole lot more coming for you guys. Beautiful. Take a good look, guys. Lovely, right?
Want to hear in the comment section. Tell me which part of the video are your favorite part of the video, guys. Tell me the favorite part of the video, part you enjoy the most.
Look at that, guys. Beautiful, right? Look at that, a quick rotation. Beautiful. Lovely, guys. So we've reached the end of this video. So until next time, bye foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.
Remember, guys, give us a call, DM us on Instagram. We can talk all business over there, right?